Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I will show you how to fix iPhone pops up iCloud photo library has not updated in 7 days after the updating of iOS. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Solution number 1. Make sure that iPhone or iPad is connected to Wi-Fi or cellular data. Your iPhone and iPad must connect to internet to upload iCloud photo library. Now we go for solution number 2. Sign out iCloud and sign in back and do reset network settings. For that, first launch settings, tap on your profile name, scroll down and tap sign out. Follow the instruction to sign out. After sign out, close the setting app, then open settings, tap on channel and tap reset network settings. Here iPhone passcode required, and tap again reset network settings in pop-up window to confirm your action. After the reset network settings, same, go to setting and tap to sign in back. After sign in back to iCloud account, allow to manage your contacts, then wait for it to completely synchronize to the iCloud photo library again. It will take time and depend on your iPhone speed, internet speed, and also photo and video sizes. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful. So please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.